give them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, give them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we're gonna swap out the lights in the door, the ones for the turn signal right there. These right here, we're gonna swap them out from the OEM to these aftermarket. And these are the tools you're gonna need. 10mm, and you're gonna need a flathead and a star point. So yeah guys, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have to take these out real quick, some guards from right here too. I'm gonna take it out, show you guys. So it's like a black thing guarding it, so I'm gonna do it like this. So when you take out this, you could get to the 10mm screw right here, and down here there's a star point. So I'm gonna use this to take it out. Probably take a minute, but don't lose the screw. So after you take this out, you're gonna use the 10mm to take this one out. Okay guys, so just like that, the door panel is off, but I'm gonna take these off real quick so I could get more space. But yeah, so we're gonna take this part off, then we're gonna have a couple 10mm screw behind it to, that holds the mirror, and that's how we're gonna do it guys. Okay guys, so just like that, you're gonna take the 10mm screws off right here, so it's 3 of them. Then we're gonna take out the mirror just like that. So just like that, we got the mirrors, and we're gonna have to pull this to run the wire through after we take off this back part. So yeah guys, let's get it. Okay guys, so just like this, I'm gonna open it. I need something to pry it. All right, so it's open so far. And remember guys, take your time. So just like that, but 2 of my clips came off. As you can see, y'all gonna have to take y'all time. But now we're gonna have to take out these lights. So you need a star point for this. Okay guys, so just like that, it's out, as you can see. So I guess the wires we're gonna put, it's gonna go in here for this. Let me see something. I'm trying to see, oh, we take this one out. Oh, I guess we just pull it. So I'm gonna go and get the one for this. So this is the new one. So I guess this side is gonna be this. So now all we got to do is just screw this one back in. Take off the plastic. This is the new one. So this is gonna be positive and this is gonna be negative. So this one gonna be over here, So that's the positive side, and this is the negative side. And this part is gonna go through here. So let me do this real quick. Take off this part first. Okay guys, so I put a hole right here to run the white card through right here, if you guys could see it. So time to screw back this one in. And make sure y'all fix it good, so it should look like this, flush. Should look like that. And now we're gonna put in back the screws. I'm using the drill because it's more easier, but be careful when y'all putting back the screws in. And also, oh crap, guess what, I should have put the white card through first, but I'm gonna do that right now. So I just run it through here. I put a hole right here, run it through here, then I run it through this. So after I put it in the car, I'm gonna run it through this too, because I don't want to mess with any connector right here. So instead of putting the pin somewhere, I'm just gonna strip it off, then I'm gonna connect it to the wire in the door, so when I turn the car on, the puddle light, it stays on. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay guys, so there you go, it's all fitted. Carbon fiber mirror cap, everything is on. So it's time to go and wire up right now. So I'm gonna strip it with this, and then I'm gonna go put it in the door. Okay guys, so let me show you how I set it up. So as I said, run it through here, and I splice the wire right here, the purple one, the one that goes into the door. So I'm gonna do it real quick, let you guys see. So it sets like this. Alright, so it's into the door, and these are for the door to like open it. But yeah guys, I splice the purple wire right here, and I hook it up to the purple wire. So when the car starts, it should be the white light, the puddle light underneath should be on. So that's why I hook it up to the purple one right here. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. So I'm gonna do the other side right now, but first make sure you guys put back everything, the door card and everything. And yeah guys, let's get it. Okay guys, so just like that, door card is on, and door card is on, and I'm gonna connect the battery right now. I can't start it because my motor is out. It's right here. So that's how it should look. But I'm gonna take it off again, and then I'm gonna put it on. So the light should come up first, then when you're like about to start it, it should like load, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna press the lock button on the key and it should go like this. So that means it's good. So time to go on the next side, but I'm not gonna record on the next side how to take off the door card again. So okay guys, so I have the driver's side out, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the passenger side to this side. So I'm gonna do all of that, then I'm gonna cut to the part that I'm putting on the new one. So stay tuned guys, and it's the same procedure as the passenger side. Just like that guys, the other one is in, everything buttoned up already. Run the wire through here again. So time to put on the carbon fiber mirror cap. So I'm gonna put it on real quick and then I'm gonna take up at the camera. And remember guys, be careful with the clips that goes right here. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, this one is on. So we're gonna test this one right now too. So I'm gonna go over there and put the jumper on the cables real quick, and then I'm gonna test it. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna press the button right now to see if light gonna come up in the. Alright, so it's good now. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.